In mysterious circumstances on 13th December 2024, in the early morning at around 2:30 am, Constable of Indian Reserve Battalion Amit Naik, who was on duty to guard crime branch lockup at Raivandar, opened the lock of lockup. CCTV footage of the crime branch shows that the accused lodged in the lockup came out, got dressed up and left the place. Further CCTV footage shows that this constable Amit Naik gave the accused a ride on his bike and not only made him escape from crime branch custody but drove him out of Goa to Karnataka. So who is this accused for which this constable Amit Naik put on stake his job and became from a cop to a criminal? This person is history cheater Siddiqui alias Suleman Khan. Against this 55-year-old Suleman Khan, there are more than 15 criminal cases registered in Goa, Hyderabad, Pune and in Delhi. Against Suleman, in Goa, there are 3 cases of land grab at measuring more than 1.5 lakh square meters, amounting crores of rupees. He is also accused in the murder case of Anjuna resident Tarsila Fernandez in 2014 and assault of an advocate in 2016. As Suleman was absconding for many years and was not attending the trial, he has been declared proclaimed offender by the court in both the cases. So the question is, how such a hardcore criminal wanted by police of 4 states was hiding and was continuing his criminal activities for so many years? You must have heard about international criminal Charles Sobraj, who was arrested from O Kakero restaurant at Parwari years back. Charles Sobraj had great ability to befriend with girls and women. Similarly, this 55-year-old Suleman Khan has ability to lure females. Crime branch, after a great effort and tracking Suleman's activities for 2-3 months, finally on 12th November 2024 had arrested Suleman from Karnataka. And in the interrogation, Suleman disclosed that in last few years he was in relationship with around 35 women. Suleman, by making false promises to these victim females, kept using their IDs, bank accounts for parking his ill-gotten money. One officer told to me that he is a sweet talker. He understands the weakness of other persons and exploits their weaknesses. And any moment he can be a cheater or even a murderer. He is such a hardcore criminal. According to sources, Suleman understood that the weakness of this constable Amit Naik is money, who is assigned to guard crime branch lockup. So, using Amit's weakness, Suleman offered him 3 crore rupees and Amit Naik fell in the trap of Suleman Khan. The result is Suleman Khan has escaped, Amit Naik is terminated from the job and Amit Naik has become a criminal from the cop. Till I am doing this story, Siddiqui alias Suleman Khan is absconding and Amit Naik is in custody of Old Goa Police. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.